Hello makers. You still don't know what you're gonna give for Christmas? Okay, here I have like two files for you. And one is for the Nintendo Switch players, and the other one is for all the friends what are like fathers already, with or without childs. I will show you how I gonna do that. So, you see my machine already printing it. There we have like the things for the Switch, and here you see already the feeds from like that figure. Alright, you saw already how bad that went with this little bro. But I like it like this, I actually like it. There's now a hole in the head. And looks fun. Now those guys here look okay. Here I saw something. What happened there? A little movement was there. I guess it was just too fast. Just too fast. Also that happens. No problem. No problem. This looks nice. And I think, those little pins here, they have to go in here, I guess. I will not do that now, because it could also be the other side. No, I'm quite sure it's in this side. So, but yeah, so we have like those nice things for the Switch. Ooh, if you put it in the light. Oh, see it? Ah, yeah, there you see it. You see like the insides. That's cool. I like it. Ah, yeah, there you go. Really nice. Okay. I'm pleased with the result, except for like that little figure. So, and now I will let you know how I found those things. So I went on for Make World, and in there I just browsed a bit for the Nintendo Switch, to be accurate. Then I found first like a kind of a triangle thing for it, but my girlfriend let me know that that is basically in every Nintendo. You just get it by default. But those little boys, you don't. So it's a perfect gift for people who like that. It's for sure a licensed thing, so of course that's why it's a gift. That's why I print it here, and I don't sell it or nothing. For the things what I like to sell, I like to get the license. Also, there are a lot of places where you just can get a license, and so you can make Christmas gifts. But yeah, if you have any questions, if you want me to print you your files, just send them over. Let me know. write me so you know where to send them to me, and then I can print them and send it over to you. It will cost you a little bit, but hey, it will cost me also a little bit. Okay, have a good one. Have a nice days off, and a good time with your loved ones. Ciao, ciao, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao, ciao.